So health is wealth. And in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about the Orisha saint, Hi, I'm Elemi from Yeyeo Botanica. Welcome to your spiritual home. And if this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. On our channel, we talk about spiritual lifestyle, everyday rituals, ancestors, and African spirituality. If you're interested in any of these topics, stick around. Today, I first want to shout out all my people from El Salvador. Woohoo! Welcome and thank you for joining us. So health is wealth. And in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about the Orisha saint, Saint Lazarus, known as Saint Lazarus and Babalu Aye. He is for health and he's for wealth. And if you want to learn about doing something to improve either your or someone else's health, stick around. So we have a video that I did on Saint Lazarus that I really talk a little bit about who he is, parables about him, how to do a beautiful offering for prosperity, protection, and upliftment. And so I encourage you to watch that Saint Lazarus video on our channel. But today, I want to talk very briefly about who Saint Lazarus is, if this is your first time hearing about who he is, or if you're a person who you're a devotee or you know already who Saint Lazarus / Babalu Aye. Babalu Aye is his Yoruba name, and Saint Lazarus is his English Anglo-Saxon Catholic name. So this is a saint that is used to represent the Orisha Babalu Aye, father of the world, father of money. That's one of the other things that falls under his category. And so there are stories about how he was very poor, was a vagrant. And in that video, I'm going to say pretty much the same story, that he was a beggar and he would sit under the table of a rich man's table. And so every time that he was eating, he would throw the scraps on the floor and Babalu Aye would pick them up and eat the scraps because, again, he was a vagrant and he did not have any money and any wealth. But under the table, too, were two dogs, which he has in his statue here. And he also had a lot of sores. And so Babalu Aye is also a patron saint for people with HIV and AIDS epidemics when we had the pandemic, which is one of the reasons why I did the video for him. He is for incurable disease. In addition to pox, things that are on top of the skin and other ailments. And so when this rich man died, he went to the down place and Babalu went to the up place. So whatever you want to call that, heaven and hell, the astral realm and the lower realm, whatever term works for you. However, Babalu Aye went to the higher realm and became very wealthy. And so when he was alive, again, he was not offered anything from this very wealthy man, including water. Couldn't even get water. So in the spiritual realm, we do not give water to Babalu Aye or Saint Lazarus. I'm going to use that word back and forth for the sake of knowledge and people who are familiar with him. And people give him wine as an offering, coconut water, and things like that. So in this video today, we're going to go through how to make a bath for health. So I wanted to give you a little preview about who he is. If you're a devotee or if you're a person who wants to say his prayer while you're doing this work for yourself, he's been very, very effective for me over many, many years for helping others and seeing people cured of very, very strong ailments that are very difficult to cure. So we're going to go through the instructions. I'm going to give you a DIY with him of things that you can do regardless of your spiritual makeup. So if you're not a Catholic, you're not a Christian, you're not a African spirituality, Ifa, Yoruba devotee, it does not matter. This video is for you. This work is for you because it's for health, wealth, and upliftment. So let's get started on seeing that. So family, this part is very, very much something prescribed by someone like myself who is a priest. As many of you know, I have multiple initiations in various African traditions. And Babalu Aye, Saint Lazarus, I just want to show you, you can always use a candle for him. Saint Lazarus, Babalu Aye, healing, help, opportunity, right? There's a prayer, and this is one way that these Spirit and You candles are, and then this is what many of you are used to seeing. It is great to make petition for yourself, prayer for yourself when you are doing this, or for someone. This work can be done for someone or yourself, okay? And I just want to share with you that during the video, you can also add this. We're going to go through it. This is a spiritual wash already made for Babalu Aye, which is an additional item, not necessary, just a nice to have, okay? So, as you can see, I have a roll here, right? Regular roll. You pick whatever you want. Do not pick one with anything on it. It needs to be plain. White, plain, right? Here's another one. So you can leave these in the wash to really get emulsified and then use this on the body like a sponge. Don't worry about if it falls apart. This is very much for people who have an ailment. If you have an ailment, this is for you. If you know someone who has an ailment, this is for them. And lastly, my sweet, sweet, important thing. If you are a person who you have been ill, you haven't felt well, you don't know what's wrong with you, this is a wonderful wash to use so that it can be discovered what is your problem, right? And so you would be praying. This is bread, right? Just regular bread that you eat. Again, nothing with sesame, nothing with any kind of anything, just plain white. I'm going to add a little bit more here just for the sake of the video. And remember, all these things I've already done, so I know how they work. I don't believe in teaching you about something that I don't know how it works. So we sell cascarilla, eggshell powder here in the Botanica. I've done a video on cascarilla. You're more than welcome to watch that. I'm going to put some in the water. So this would be you at home, right, doing this. And I have Efun, African Efun from Nigeria, which is the original version of cascarilla, because cascarilla is made out of eggshell, grinded up eggshell powders. This is Efun, which is a clay from the earth that is used for orisha, period. Used for orisha. A version of it is used to be eaten for minerals, but for the sake of this is Efun. This is it powderized and grinded up, right? Just giving you a taste because some people like to use some of the traditional items from Africa and some people don't. Some people have access to this and not, and vice versa. They're interchangeable. And then now we have some coconut water, right? We have coconut water. And again, you're making prayer for yourself. This is the kind of wash you would do daily. Maybe you'll get 2 days out of it, but coconut water does not stay well over days. So again, make this, you make your prayer, ask for whatever goodness, ask for help, ask for intervention around health. If the problem is very severe, I would suggest that you take this for 7 days straight, making it fresh every day or every other day. If you're going to the doctor and you want discovery, maybe you do this for 2 days or you do it the day of, right? What do you do with the bread? You throw it away at the end. Don't let it go down the drain, right? This is a special dedication in terms of me giving this to you all. It does not matter your walk of life. It does not matter where you come from. Everybody eats bread. Everybody eats eggs. I say that generally speaking. Everybody can drink coconut water, generally speaking, right? So as you notice, this has no religious connotation to it, which is why it's helpful for everyone and which is why I was inspired to do this video. So this is a liquid. If you have access to this, you want to tank it up some more, add it. If you do not, this is 100% perfectly fine. I'm going to put a little bit of liquid in here. For those of my Botanica lovers who like to really tank it up, right? And if you're going to do this for 7 days, you'd need to get maybe at least 3 of these bottles. Again, healing, help, and opportunity. Right? This can be used as a floor wash, body wash, Babalu Aye, right? And again, you mix it together. You bathe with this preferably at night. Bathe with this preferably at night or after 3 p.m. But if you're a person that you work nights and this is all you got available, then do what you can. Again, this can be used on the body. Just if you're having a particular area that's a problem, you can use this on that particular area of the body, or you just use it to dissolve here. Another way you can also really fire it up, this is my last sweet thing for you for this particular video, is you can put your candle on the inside and leave it to burn. And then when you're ready to use it again, you can maybe let it burn for a little while, not enough for it to be hot or unsafe, right? So family, happy St. Lazarus Day. Happy health, wealth. Remember, this isn't a deity also for abundance and prosperity. This can also be done as a prosperity wash if your prayer is about prosperity. Remember, nothing happens without prayer. Remember, nothing happens without prayer. Remember, nothing happens without prayer. So your intention is what is going to manifest the change that it is that you would like to see. Love you all. Good luck to you. This is my special gift to you through this video, and I hope that it helps you, your family, your loved ones. So if you got anything out of this video, I want to see those thumbs up. I want to see your comments. I want to hear about different works that you have done for health and upliftment. And if you are like me, who is just a devotee of St. Lazarus, please comment, because we are a special group of people. And of course, his feast day is December 17th. So you can also prepare this and do this for his feast day or any time of year. Good luck. Hit the bell to stay in the know and join my family and community, and see you next time. Ashe, ashe, ashe.